Therefore, on behalf of the conveners, I want to read the communique and see whether it meets your requirements, your demands, or requests, so that we don't have to move forward. So if I have your permission, let me read out what will I agreed. PDP, PDP, power to the people, PDP eminent stakeholders and concerned leaders meeting held on the 9th of June 2025. The communique reads as follows. At a meeting of the aforementioned group on the 9th day of June 2025 in Abuja, the state of affairs of the party, the need to reinforce internal democracy, equity and justice within the ranks of the party were discussed and carefully reviewed. The eminent stakeholders and concerned leaders drawn from the various states of the Federation took a deep and strong view of the situation in our party and came to the following conclusions. 1. The seemingly intractable crisis in the party is as a result of the inexplicable refusal of a few to adhere to the party constitution with particular reference to section 36(1) B and C, section 47(3)(5) and section 48(1)(I, and the definitive Supreme Court judgment regarding the position of the office of the National Secretary of the party. The eminent stakeholders and concerned leaders are alert that the party is an inevitable path to self-annihilation if urgent steps are not taken to rein in the desperate, divisive, and selfish tendencies that brought the party to its place in the lead-up to the 2023 general election. These divisive tendencies, unfortunately, have found expression in the conduct of certain interests within the ranks of our party, both at National Regroup Committee, the National Working Committee, and Board of Trustees levels. Consequently, the PDP eminent stakeholders and concerned leaders resolve as follows. 1. That to further arrest the inexorable drift towards extinction in our party, the party must, without further delay, respect the judgment of the Supreme Court. We therefore unequivocally affirm Senator Sam Ayew as the duly elected and substantive National Secretary of our great party. In the spirit of fairness, inclusion, federal character principles, and respect for our party constitution, the party must make an unequivocal pronouncement zoning its presidential candidate to the South in the 2027 election. In line with the provisions of our party constitution, only the National Secretary, Senator Sam Ayew, can issue notices of meeting of National Convention, National Regroup Committee, National Caucus, and National Working Committee, and to this end, all notices not issued by him and action founded on them, including correspondences to INEC, are null and void and of no effect whatsoever. Furthermore, it is clear from the Constitution that only the National Convention, properly and duly constituted, can remove Senator Sam Ayew, the National Secretary, arising from his status as a member of the National Regroup Committee of the party. We therefore demand that the acting National Chairman and National Secretary jointly issue a notice to INEC with an attached agenda for National Executive Committee meeting of the party, being the only pathway to abide by extant laws. We, the stakeholders, reiterate our commitment to our great party and urge all members to uphold the rule of law, respect constitutional mandate, resist all machinations aimed at stabilizing the party, and support the efforts of National Reconciliation Committee headed by Excellency Senator Bukola Saraki, dated this 9th day of June 2025. We want to simply put it in question. Do we agree?
Yeah.
I'm coming. Do we agree? Is it hold on? Is it a reflection of what we discuss here? Hold on. Is it a reflection? You know, I've never been in the national status. And it's not a place I would want to go to. I want to stay where God has kept me. Stay where God keep you. So, is it a reflection of what we discuss? Hold on. Is it a reflection of what we discuss and agreed? None of you who say, yes, it is a reflection and what we agree, say, aye. None of you who say, no, this was not what we discussed and agreed, say, nay. Those, the ayes have it. So this is the position of the eminent stakeholders and concerned leaders of the PDP meeting held on the 9th of June 2025, and our party will grow stronger and stronger by the grace of God. I want all of us to abide and keep to faith to what we have agreed here today. May God, His infinite mercy, lead all of us safely back to our various destinations. Thank you and God bless you.